I've seen March back as an opportunity to not only get an extra qualification, which is really vital, but also to develop generic skills such as public speaking and just, becoming more confident and talking to others. Community Challenge helps your life skills, so it helps you to engage better with others. It also helps your confidence skills, problem solving skills, and working within teams as well. The Community Challenge has allowed me to give back to my local community and also gain work experience, which will look great on my CV and on my personal statement for my UCAS. I think one of the main things that really interested me about the individual project is that it was very flexible. I was able to write about anything that I wanted to write about, which was relevant to the degree that I'll be doing, but also for those who are not going to university. It gives you a chance to really write about something that interests you, a topic that interests you, and that is also relevant to your career, something you want to pursue in the future.